This is Blue. Blue from Amazon. Hey, Blue. Here, come on. Call a doggy. Call a doggy. Say here. We got her from a friend at the hospital also, named Jackson Prize. Yeah, we're taking good care of Blue and the other birds, Pete and the cockatiel and other ones. I forgot some of their names. Blue, what does a doggy do? Say ruh, 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 ruh. Aww. Say ruh, 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 ruh. You are so silly. Yes, you are. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Really? She is loud. Yeah. Blue. Hey. Hi. What? Say what? What? What chicken do? Say trying to teach her a little bit new. What? Yeah, that was my macaw. That was Boo Boo. I'll get Boo Boo on here a little later too. Aww. Can you see yourself? Look. Look. You see yourself? Say hello. Say hello to everybody. Boo Boo. Say hello. Say hello right there. Say hello. 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 Say hello. Hi. 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 She is loud. Yeah. What? What, baby? What, Blue? Well, thank you. Call the dog and wolf whistle and a whole bunch of things. Yeah. Really? She is showing off. Look at her tail feathers. Watch when she talks. Oh, hi. Yeah, she is a pretty girl. Yes, you are. You're a pretty girl. Pretty girl. Pretty. Yeah. So that's Blue. Hey, Blue. Say bye-bye. No. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, say bye. Blue. Bye. Say bye. No. Bye. Tell them bye. Say bye. Bye. We'll get more birds up. There you go. We'll get more birds up there later. That's my Blue. Now, they're Blue. Hey, Blue, 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 Blue. Hey, you're gonna call the doggy one more time, okay? Here, and then you laugh. Okay. There's Blue. Blue, Blue.